So we will talk about there is a one error, cooling fan fault. So cooling fan fault occurs when cooling fan of ASD has failed or been disconnected. So there is inside of the VFD, there is a fan. So what is doing? He is just doing isolation of what is their heat. Okay. So in that case, what could be the reason? In this case, there could be the reason fan is faulty. Okay. And what you need to do, you need to just replace the fan, or you can verify the power wires of fan to your into the PCB. Inspect like if there is issue when you replace the fan and it's still same issue. In that case, there are more chances that issue is because of there could be the connector or there could be another issue. And if you found everything is okay, like fan also is working, there is no too much dust inside and all. So if it is still coming, if this error is still coming, so it means what could be the reason? The reason could be inside of your VFD there is an issue. So for that you just need to repair only, and other than we don't have much option for this. So if your problem is still not resolved, what you need to do, you need to take membership of my channel, and then you can write a mail to us on your mail ID incasesales1@gmail.com. So on behalf of that your inputs, I will support you and I will help you to resolve your these issues.